budding artists. Are you ready to dive into another exciting drawing adventure? Today, we're going to create our very own bathroom scene. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our markers and get started on this creative journey. First things first, let's sketch out the main elements of our bathroom. Begin by drawing the basin, where we wash our hands and faces. Next, add a water tap above the basin to complete our washing area.
Cool!
Then, let's draw a toilet paper roll hanging nearby. Now, let's give our bathroom essentials some personality. Add eyes and a mouth to the toilet paper roll to make it come to life.
Cool!
Let's do the same for the hand wash bottle, because why should the fun stop there? Let's make our bathroom friend smile. To finish off our bathroom scene, draw a commode or toilet seat where we take care of business. With all the elements in place, our drawing is complete and ready for some color.
Wow!
Before we move on to coloring, let's go over our drawing with our marker to make the outlines bold and sharp. This will make our artwork stand out and look super neat. Are you ready to add some color to our bathroom scene? Let's bring out our color pens and start coloring. As we color, let's name each color we use. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Red color. Blue color. Golden color.
Wow!
Pink color. Dark pink color.
Cool!
Purple color. Red color. Navy blue color.
Awesome!
Dark purple color. Blue color. Navy blue color. Pink color. Bottle green color. Green color. Let's make our bathroom vibrant and colorful.
Wow!
Great job, little artists! You created a fantastic bathroom scene filled with personality and color. Keep up the awesome work, and don't forget to wash your hands after all that creativity. Until next time, happy drawing and coloring! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.